But yeah, this whole development right here, that's expanded to a large degree. That's called McDonald. Okay, is everybody managing?
How could we
If you want to walk the easy way, there's just a dirt path over there. Kind of takes away from the mountain goat.
Boy, your brother's real brave, isn't he?
I'm close enough.
Okay, so